Hello and welcome back for today's puzzle. Looks like today we're going to be doing puzzle 115. Let's start with this box here. Looks like we're missing a 4, 7, and 8. We've got a 4 here, so that's covering these two boxes, so our 4 has to be here. Don't see any other help though, so 7, 8, 7, 8. If we look at this box, looks like we're missing a 2, 5, and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 9, and 9 here. So 2, 5, and a 9 here. So 2, 5, and that means that our 9 has to be here. If we look at this box, we're missing a 2, 5, and 7. We've got a 2 here. So 5, 7, 5, 7, and that means that our 2 has to be here. And that would make this our 5 and our 2, and that 5 makes this our 7 and our 5. Finish out this row. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 4 here. So 6 and 4. For this box then, we're missing 1, 7, and 8. We've got a 1 and 7 here. So this is our 8. A 1 here. So 7, 1. That 7 makes this our 8, 7. For this box then, we're missing 2, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 and 9 here. So 2 and 8 up here. So 9, 8. If we look at this row, we're missing a 1, 5, and 9. We've got a 9 here. So 1, 5. 5 here, so 1, 9, and a 9 here, so 1, 5, so the only place our 9 can be is here. If we look at this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, we're missing 5, 6, and 7. We've got a 5 and 7 here, so this is our 6. I don't see any other help, so 5, 7, 5, 7. If we look at this column, we're only missing a 1. If we look at this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 6, 7, and 9. We've got a 7, 9 here, so 6. 7 here, so 9, 7. For this box then, it looks like we're missing 1, 5, and 8. Got the 5 here, so 1, 8, 1, 8. That means that our 5 has to be here, so this is our 1. If we look at this column, then it looks like we're missing 1, 2, and 8. We've got a 1 and 2 here, so this is our 8. That makes this our 1 and 2. That 1 makes this our 8. We finish out this row then, we've got 1, 2, we're missing a 3. For this box, we're missing a 1 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 3. For this bottom row then, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 7, 6. That 7 makes this our 5, 7. For this row then, we've got 1, 2, 3, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 4. And for this box then, we're still missing a 2 and an 8. We've got an 8 there, so 2 and 8. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you again for joining me today. Please do subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any puzzles coming up. And I will hope you have a very good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow.